them laid, we're okay.
Right.
And I'm wondering if this would solve a lot of problems. But also, the other day, Hillary said that Republicans could not even say the word transgender. And I think Hillary ought to go out on a limb and claim to be the first transgender politician, because I've seen like long angle TV shots of hers, and I could swear there's a bulge in her pants. And,
come on.
But I just want to say, I think that we need to tell Hillary, and I think Shakespeare said it best, that vaginal and anal prolapse doth not a penis and testicles make.
Oh my God!
Mike, okay. Now Halloween.
Theater of the mind, guys. It's radio.
Now think about this, Mike. It's Halloween coming up, right?
Okay, I'm just saying.
Now I was thinking, what is Bruce Jenner going to dress as, a male?
My daughter's 7, and she wants to be a zombie cheerleader. And I thought that was so cool. I'm going to bind one of her arms and put a little, pom-pom on the end so she can, like, wiggle it around like she's missing an arm.
Jeez. All right, Mike, thanks for stopping by, buddy.
Okay. You need to get a job at DreamWorks there, good guy.
I love you guys.
All right, we'll see you.
Thank you,
Thanks
Mike.
for a moment in time, Mike.
Talk about mental images, buddy.
Ooh, that one. Ooh.
Let's go to Aubrey. Thank you for calling, Aubrey. Aubrey of Aubrey Con. Hey, how you doing?
You guys are the biggest sexist, homophobic people I've ever come across.
Well, thank you very much.
Hillary is the most transparent.
We are.
She is the most transparent person running for president.
Depends on how you mean transparent. If she
is.
She's trying.
You can see the level of the lies and the bullshit is up past her eyebrows.
The bull what?
Bull bang.
Yeah.
I can see you're a fan, Aubrey, of our little sweet sex kitten.
You guys.
I always thought Hillary had her Halloween costume on before Halloween, meaning it was a life costume. But I guess, I don't know.
Yeah, and don't forget, she also has a lockbox with Bill's nuts in it.
Oh, my Lord. Thank you, Aubrey Con.
Thanks for stopping by.
Firm Foundation, home inspections, and we don't want to hear any comments about Firm Foundation, okay?
Another pretty face, right?
All right, Aubrey.
Have a great evening, folks.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have some sickos.
You can direct your comments to orlandoshomeinspector.com. That's Aubrey Con at orlandoshomeinspector.com.
And they do a great job.
He does indeed.
Right.
Oh, let's
I'm
go
worried
to
about
Al.
his Halloween costume, though, aren't
you?
Ooh.
Please, God, let's go to Al. Al, thanks for calling.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm still puzzled as to why we haven't had an armed revolution by the right wing in this country. Consider Obama, he's so tyrannical, he's destroying the country and all sorts of stuff. I mean, would you care to answer that question for me? Or?
Well, first of all, he hasn't taken it to that level yet, but I'm here to tell you, if he were to try to do what some people think he would do, which I don't, but if he were to try to postpone elections or to do something like that, I'm afraid you might see just that. But in essence, that's what we're supposed to do. Though when you get right down to it, now Barack Obama hasn't gotten near that line yet, but if he were to get to the point where he tried to suspend the Constitution, do away with the Constitution, it would be our responsibility, actually, Al, to take matters into our own hands.